Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now I am going to share a story. The story name is A Gautam Buddha. There was a woman in the village. A Gautam Buddha was living there. One day she came to his home crying and weeping because her son was died. She wanted her son life back. She asked to Gautam Buddha why the god had taken his son's life. She wants his son's life back. She told to Gautam Buddha that God can't take his son's life because he is too young. Then Gautam Buddha replied, when you want your son's life back, you can find wheat or any seed. She smiled and said it is very easy. But Gautam Buddha told you find seed on that house where no one had died. She go everyone's house in the village but didn't find that house where no one had died. She come back and asked to Gautam Buddha that no one in the village house where no one had died. Then Gautam Buddha told, now you understood. No one in this world would lose their family members. Everyone died on one day. No one lived in this world. Now the woman will understand. Hi friends, I hope you like my story. Thank you.
Hello friends, now I'm going to tell you a story. My story name is Gautam Buddha. Once Gautam Buddha was traveling from one town to another town with a few of his followers. One day he was traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped there and Buddha told one of his disciples, I am thirsty, please get me some water in the lake. The disciple walked up to this lake. When he reached there, he noticed that some pupils are washing clothes in the water. Right in that moment, a bull cart started crossing the lake. As a result, the water became very muddy. The disciple thought, how can I give this muddy water to Buddha to drink? The disciple came back and told to Buddha, I don't think this water is good to drink. The Buddha told, don't worry, we take a little rest near the stream. After an hour, again Buddha told the same disciple to give me some water to drink. The disciple went back to the lake. This time he found a lake. It has absolutely clear water in it. The disciple put the water on the pot and came back and gave the water to Buddha. Buddha looked at the water and then he looked at the disciple and said, the same thing was in my mind. Please give me some time to settle down on his moral. Always stay calm and don't take hasty decisions. Hi friends, I hope you like my story. Thank you.
Bilal, come here.
Yes, Dad.
How is your study?
It is good, Dad.
Did you write your homework?
No, Dad.
Why did not write your homework?
I forget my copy at tuition.
No problem. I will call your teacher.
Dad, what should I write now?
You write rough notebook.
Where is my brother?
He went to the market.
When will you send playground?
After finishing your homework.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Welcome. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to tell you a story of Gautam Buddha. Once upon a time, there Gautam Buddha was traveling from one town to another town with the few of his followers. While they were traveling, they passed to a lake. Buddha stopped them and turned, I am very thirsty, please get me some water from the lake. The follower and he noticed some people washing clothes in the water. As I reduced, the bull cart is starting to cross a lake. Crossing as the result, the water is very muddy. He said, how can I give the water to Buddha to drink it? He came back and told Buddha, the water is very muddy. I don't think it is good for drinking. Buddha said, don't worry, let's get away near this tree. After about an hour, Buddha asked again Sam follower and to go back and get some water from the lake. This time he found that the water is absolutely good and good for drinking. And he collected some water in the pot and gave Buddha. Buddha looked at water and then he looked at follower. This is the same thing. It is our mind settled down. Everyone look at Buddha with respect. Today we get one more important life decision. Moral, best take life, never take hasty decisions.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to tell you about a story. The story name is Gautam Buddha. Once, Gautam Buddha was traveling from one town to another town with a few of his followers. While they were traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped there and Buddha told one of these happened, "I'm thirsty, please get me some water from that lake." Then this happened. They happened to pass a lake. When we reached there, we noticed that some people washing clothes in the water. A bullock cart started crossing the lake. As a result, the water became very muddy. Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let me start my story. My story name is Gautama Buddha. There was a woman in the village where Gautama Buddha was living. One day she came to his house crying and weeping because her son was died. She wanted her son's life back. She asked Gautama Buddha why the God had take her son's life back. She wanted her son's life back. She asked Gautama Buddha that the God can't take her life. He is too young. Then Gautama Buddha replied, "If you want your son's life back, you to take some corn, wheat or any seed." She smiled and said, "It's very simple. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you."